Space, the final frontier. It has captivated humanity for millennia. The twinkling stars, the distant planets, the sheer vastness of it all, it inspires awe and wonder. Since the dawn of time, we have gazed at the cosmos, asking profound questions. Where did we come from? Are we alone? This thirst for knowledge drives our space exploration endeavors. Over the decades, we have launched daring missions, sending robotic emissaries to distant worlds. These missions have pushed the boundaries of human ingenuity and expanded our knowledge of the universe. Join me and let's delve into the thrilling world of space exploration. In 1977, NASA launched twin spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, marking a significant milestone in space exploration. Their mission was to explore the outer planets of our solar system, venturing into regions never before visited by human-made objects. These probes carried the hopes and dreams of humanity, symbolizing our quest for knowledge and our desire to reach beyond our own world. They embarked on a grand tour of the gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, capturing unprecedented data and images. They sent back stunning images revealing details never seen before, transforming our understanding of these distant worlds. Decades after their launch, they continue to send back data from interstellar space, becoming the first human-made objects to leave our solar system, a testament to their enduring legacy. They carry a golden record, a time capsule containing sounds and images of Earth intended to communicate the story of our world to any potential extraterrestrial life. The Voyager missions represent the pinnacle of human exploration, showcasing our ingenuity and determination to explore the unknown. They are our interstellar emissaries, carrying a message of hope and knowledge to the stars, a beacon of humanity's enduring spirit of discovery. Before the Voyagers, there were the Pioneers. These spacecraft, launched in the 1970s, were true pioneers. Pioneer 10 and 11 were tasked with studying Jupiter and Saturn. Pioneer 10, launched in 1972, became the first spacecraft to fly past Jupiter. It sent back groundbreaking images of the gas giant. Pioneer 11, launched a year later, followed suit, providing the first close-up images of Saturn. The Pioneers carried instruments to study the solar wind, cosmic rays, and magnetic fields. They provided valuable data that helped scientists understand the environment beyond Mars. The Pioneer missions were trailblazers, expanding our understanding of the solar system. Section 4. New Horizons, a distant rendezvous. In 2006, NASA launched the New Horizons spacecraft on a mission to Pluto, marking the beginning of an ambitious journey to the edge of our solar system. After a journey of nearly a decade, New Horizons made history in 2015 when it flew past Pluto, providing the first close-up views of this distant world, a moment that captivated scientists and space enthusiasts alike. The images sent back were breathtaking, revealing a complex and diverse world with unexpected geological features. Pluto was shown to have a surprisingly young surface, with mountains of ice and vast plains of nitrogen ice, challenging previous assumptions about its geology. After its historic encounter, New Horizons continued its mission into the Kuiper Belt, flying past Arrokoth in 2019, further expanding our knowledge of these distant regions. The New Horizons mission has revolutionized our understanding of the outer solar system, providing invaluable data and insights. It has shown us that even the most distant worlds can hold surprises, revealing the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. Section 5. Juno unlocking Jupiter's secrets. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has always fascinated astronomers. To unravel its mysteries, NASA launched the Juno spacecraft in 2011. Juno's mission to study Jupiter's atmosphere, magnetic field, and internal structure. Juno arrived at Jupiter in 2016 and has been orbiting the gas giant ever since, sending back invaluable data. The spacecraft's instruments have revealed giant storms, powerful jets, and a complex magnetic field. By studying Jupiter, we are gaining a better understanding of the formation and evolution of planetary systems. Section 6. The next giant leap. The missions we have explored are just a glimpse into the incredible journey of space exploration. From the first steps on the Moon to the latest Mars rover, each mission has paved the way for the next. As we look to the future, the possibilities seem endless. We envision new frontiers, from asteroid mining to interstellar travel, pushing the boundaries of what we know. New technologies are being developed that will allow us to explore the cosmos in ways we can only dream of today. Innovations in propulsion, life support, and robotics are just the beginning. We are on the cusp of sending humans back to the moon and utilizing it as a stepping stone for missions to Mars and beyond. Establishing a lunar base will be a crucial step in this grand adventure. The spirit of exploration that drove past missions is alive and well today. It inspires a new generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. The next giant leap in space exploration is just on the horizon. With each passing day, we get closer to making these dreams a reality.